Hello, friends of Japan. How are you? My name is Kawatani. I'm a cross-cultural management consultant and president of Diversity Management Institute in Japan. I organize Speak Japanese Crossculturally course in early January 2021. Today I'll give you 10 behaviors that Japanese bosses and customers frown upon. That's the second module in the course. Similar to HORENSO, you're only practicing what you believe to be good. Quick actions, confidence in yourself, focus on immediate tasks, and fail fast and learn fast. These are all good things in today's business. However, it is necessary to know Japanese culture operates very differently, not because they are refusing change, but because they are aiming at the results of different nature, texture, and through different ways. And that different ways part is backed by what you may call a civilizational philosophy of a country. Japan is 2,680 years old since the first Emperor Jimmu was thrown in, and our traditions remains uninterrupted. So naturally, how work is conducted is also influenced by that. So let's look at the behaviors Japanese employers and customers consider good and not so good. That knowledge will keep your good intentions from backfiring. We don't have time to cover all 10 behaviors, so let's focus on just one behavior. First and foremost, that is leapfrog versus step-by-step. Speed. My Malaysian professor friend once told me that Malaysia does not have a luxury of evolution like Japan. Slow but steady wins a race kind of approach, because emerging economies need to develop fast. So they buy technology rather than developing on their own. They welcome global firms to transfer knowledge, and they pay good salary to local workers. Such business climate makes people want to build skills and wealth as quickly as possible, doesn't it? The upshot is, being fast is considered decisive or masculine, and so is change. A business school professor in Singapore told me that to Singaporeans, no change is no growth. They like to change smartphones every 6 months. But a different culture like Japan wants to do things step by step, however time it takes, because we take pride in making things that are built to last. Regarding making or production, my engineer friend of a Japanese auto part factory outside Japan confessed to me like this: I make each part thinking it could take up passenger's life. He can't get this concept into his local workers. Well, Japanese workers are craftsmen and women. Craftsmen and women. And craftsmanship does not go well with the sheer speed of work. So it's not speed, timing. It's not self, but others that counts. And it's not fail fast and learn fast, but commitment to do personal best to never fail as much as possible. So key words are timing, no ego, and commitment, like that of a craftsman. And that's about leapfrog versus step-by-step, one of the 10 behaviors that we'll cover in the upcoming program. So January 9th and 16th, 2021, we have prepared a 3-hour intensive course, Speak Japanese Crossculturally, to teach you critical Japanese business skills, including 10 behaviors and HORENSO, in addition to a selected strategic honne phrases that will get past my official statement and close distance with the Japanese partners and bring you inside their honne, the real intentions and emotions. Speak zero Japanese? No problem. I will guide you along. So I'm looking forward to meeting you from around the world in early January 2021, and best wishes that all the efforts in the new year will bear fruit in prosperity, good health, and joy. Happy New Year 2021 and the year of Ox. See you next year. Until then, goodbye. Have a happy holiday. Thank you very much.